Information on Massey Ferguson 135 tractors. The Massey Ferguson MF 135 was an agricultural type tractor that is no longer in production. During its time, this widely popular tractor was used as the workhorse for the small family farm. It is still in use by a few small farmers in the early 21st century, and it is usually purchased by collectors. Production. The MF 135 was in production from 1964 until 1975. Popularity. The MF 135 was the biggest selling tractor of its time until it was replaced by the 235 model in 1975. Engine power. There were a few different types of engines that powered the MF 135. Perkins manufactured both diesel and gasoline engines that put out 45 horsepower. Continental produced an engine that was slightly less powerful with only 39 horsepower. Uses. This model of tractor was used as the workhorse of the family farm. It pulled everything from cultivators, manure spreaders, seeders and hay balers. A front-end loader could also be attached, making it useful as a snow remover, grader or even as a feedlot cleaner. Aftermarket items. Adding to its versatility, there are several aftermarket items that can be purchased, such as covered cabs, front-end loaders and power steering kits.